Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So Redbox, is it over? I know a lot of people still excited about Redbox. They wonder, is it too late to get in? Is the hype, is the FOMO, is everything over with just yet? I'm gonna share my opinion on it, guys. Let you guys know what I believe is about to happen with Redbox. So Redbox ended the day at $13.95, still up over 13% on the day, well over 100% on the week, and 436% on the month, guys. So Redbox, a lot of people may be thinking, you know, it's dying down, it's over with, because how it ran up to 18 plus in the pre-market and then cooled off, consolidated very well throughout the day, and then cooled off in the after hours, came down to $13.95. Still, being for the fact that we closed above yesterday's closing price at $13.65, we are still in a solid, you know, a good area for Redbox for it to actually still be able to go higher. But before it go higher, like I say, guys, it still got to take out those stop losses each morning, especially as it ended on today. It closed near yesterday resistance area right around $13.90 and $13.30. That's those previous resistance. That's where it's about to come down to going into tomorrow. We could see $13.30, and then I told you guys we could come down to around $12. That's where I believe it's going to go. $12 is that main key level I'll be looking at, and then if that break, then it's really going to be a lot of panic selling, and it's going to fall all the way down to around $9. So be on the lookout for that, guys. So like I always say, never go head in at one specific price. You want a dollar cost average in. So if you're waiting to get in on a pullback, I would start nibbling in at 12. And even if you don't end up having your full position, know you still chasing Redbox. Even though we alerted it at the $4 range, we sold, made our little bread, and now we want to get back in because it's still pumping. It's still the short interest is still well over 200%. We want to get back in it, but we got to understand that we chasing it. So being for the fact that we chasing it, you want to play it smart, and you want to start dollar cost averaging in at 12, but you don't want to go all in with your full desired position size, because it could come down to around $9. And if it do, you don't want to lose that much on the back end. So you want to be okay with not having exactly how much you want at 12. But if it come down to 9, now you can get how much you really want, if that makes sense for the people in the back. So get how much you really want if it come down to 9. If it don't and come down to just 12, you ain't gonna have how much you really wanted to get, but you will have enough to make some money and be safe while doing it. Because it's all about being safe, being conservative, so you can live to fight another day in the market. Because if you lose all your money, lose all your bread, you ain't gonna be able to seize the next opportunities that come about. So Redbox, going into tomorrow, I do believe we could see some turbulence to the downside. And then as the overall market, I do think the overall market still is going to come down a bit further, because like I said, the feds, they got to come in aggressively and help save their face, because they losing credibility as inflation steady continue to soar. They come in hype and aggressively tighten balance sheets and then continue to hike interest rates, they going to then cause that to put the stock market into panic, guys. So it's looking to be able to come down a bit more, as well as Bitcoin. I told you guys, when Bitcoin trading at the $56,000 level, it was coming down all the way to 20K from its previous all-time high in 2018. So we almost there. We down to 21,000 and some change now. We getting closer and closer. Even though when it stopped to 25K a few weeks ago and shot it back to 30K, I still wasn't convinced. I said it's coming down. It's coming back down to 20K, and that's exactly what we're on track to do. Even when we do that, I told you guys, it's going even further. It's going down some more. It's going down some more. I'm calling it with confidence, guys, because I'm telling you, if you in Bitcoin, you better save yourself. I saved a lot of people 60% on Shiba Inu. We got out 4 zeros, 20s, sold it all. And now we buying back, easing our way back in at a fraction of the cost that it cost us the first time. So you already know, man. You already know what to do. Get in VIP. Add your boy on the ground at the B Hayes Show. I love you. We out. God bless you. We gone.